Prosecco is now the trendiest and best-selling sparkling wine all over the world. Its fruity flavors, combined with an absolutely pleasurable freshness sustained by subtle bubbles, have been seducing the palates of every continent since the late 90s. So why on earth should we try to modify this unbeatable formula? Just 10 years ago, we wanted to pay tribute to our founder, Barone Gaetano Fioravanti Onesti, developing a completely revolutionary wine that could bring new perspectives to our wine range. After spending long years looking for the right compromise between a traditional and a modern style, we were able to find the perfect combination. We blended 40% of Glera grapes, the variety that makes Prosecco so successful, in order to have intense fruity aromas at the nose, that a 30% of Raboso transforms into refined scents of plums and cherry blossoms. Another 30% of Pinot Noir completes this amalgam of traditional varieties with its undisputable elegance and roundness. Cuvée del Barone is an incredibly flexible wine. It could be paired with fish appetizers or savory tarts, and it is an excellent alternative to a Prosecco for aperitif above all. We are pretty sure that after tasting it, you'll understand how highly we regard the memory of Gaetano Fioravanti Onesti.